Hey guys, welcome back to Mr. Homeowner. Today we're going to make some Crunchwrap Supremes. So let me go over some of the ingredients we have here. We have large flour tortillas. We have Tostadas. Some Nacho Cheese. Who's cheese? Sour cream. Tomatoes. Shredded lettuce. Ground beef. And some tortillas on the side. So let me get some of this stuff together and we'll go out on the griddle and get things started. Oh, one more thing. You can't make Crunchwraps or Crunchwrap Supremes without the taco seasoning from Taco Bell. So some people make these and they make up, they make their own seasonings and this and that. I'm gonna go easy, use the taco seasoning that came in the kit, and then we'll see how they go. So, haven't done these before. Should be fun though. Be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. So, got the griddle on medium heat. Just washed my hands. I'm gonna start cooking up some of the ground beef here. It's a bit windy again here today. So this is, I think it's 80-20 mix. 2 pounds. Don't want to end up making burgers. I'm gonna chop it up real well. See, it's already starting to brown up a little bit. And since we're doing it on the Blackstone, when we season it, normally you're supposed to add 3/4 cup of water with the seasoning powder. But the seasoning packet is for 1 pound of meat. And we're not going for authentic Taco Bell here. I just want to give it a little bit of flavor. So I'm gonna mix in the seasoning right on the griddle here. Let's see how that goes. So it's breaking down pretty nice here. Woo! There goes my extra pan. So there's still some red in there, but I'm gonna start sprinkling this over now. See how it goes. So this is Taco Bell original seasoning mix. It's probably too much. Ooh, it smells like Taco Bell. Then what I'll do is I'll bring it inside and drain it. kind of flatten it out a little bit, spread it out. Still see a little bit of red in there, which I don't mind, but some of the other people might. All right, it's getting pretty good here. Give that a minute. All right, let me finish this up, and I'm gonna build them inside. Hey, welcome back. Now we're just gonna start making our crunch wraps. A little more meat. Some of that, some cheese. Nacho cheese. Probably too much. Let's see, now let's go with the tostada. Keeping everything centered. Go with some sour cream. Spread it around. That guy out of the way. We get some lettuce. Some cheddar. Top it off with some tomatoes. So that's that. Then we grab one of the small guys. Then we wrap it without breaking it, which is what I normally do. We'll see how this goes. There's that. I put it off to the side. Hey, welcome back to Mr. Homeowner. So, now that we've made these, now just gotta seal them shut. So let's see how this goes. I've had them sitting about 10 minutes, or 5 minutes probably. Trick is gonna be doing this without burning my hand off. Ooh. So it's pretty windy out here today. It was not getting as hot as I was hoping. It's getting up there though. I just turned it back on. It's about 280 or so right now. So it's climbing. So I was reading online and it said 3 to 5 minutes on each side. I'm not going to make you wait that whole time. I just wanted you to see this, and then you can cut back in a couple minutes and see how things are going. All right, these have been going for probably about 5 minutes. I'm going to attempt to flip one. Oh, look, you see it's starting to brown up. Yeah, these are looking nice. Uh-oh, it's kind of falling apart. Yeah, that'll be mine. Good. All right, let me finish these up, and we'll see you inside. We'll cut one open. Hey, so we're back. Look pretty good. gonna cut into it and see what it's like. Probably gonna wreck it with cutting it. Maybe not. Ready? Look at that. So this one has sour cream and tomato. Added some others. Let's see what this one is. But this was a fun thing to griddle. Definitely gonna do this again. This one looks like, I'm not sure. Those just look like, yeah, no sour cream, no tomatoes. Put this on the plain side. But yeah, this was a fun one. Oops, I forgot. There we go. So yeah, I would definitely give this one a try if you haven't done it already. I didn't see many out there doing it, so I figured give it a shot. Make sure you click the like button there and follow these other videos I have. Thanks for watching.